I wish I knew this before online buying online courses. Online classes are not the easy route. Opting for online courses over traditional courses is not the easy route for your education. It's true that online courses offer more flexibility, but that doesn't change the amount of work you put in. The flexibility of online classes can be extremely helpful to busy students. But that same freedom also creates additional pressures on those enrolled. It's up to you to avoid distractions and keep yourself on track. You're going to need technology and IT support to be successful. Your online courses will most likely be accessed through a personal computer or tablet. Our online course veterans recommend taking some time to become acquainted with the platform and utilize any orientation materials prior to class. Having a reliable internet connection and operating system is also crucial to staying on top of your work during the duration of your course. You might experience challenges such as a PDF not downloading, voice issues with the lecture, or the need for extra tutoring, especially if a subject proves too hard. You can make or break it with time management. It's your responsibility to take the initiative to keep up with your work when enrolled in online classes. It can be easy to let assignments slide and miss due dates because of the wiggle room and flexibility that come with online courses. Procrastination is a slippery slope and can affect your grade negatively. It's important to stay organized and follow a schedule, because it's difficult to catch up once you fall behind. Many students underestimate the amount of time they'll spend studying for class. You should expect online courses to take about the same amount of time as traditional courses. Don't think you're exempt from group projects. Just because your course is online doesn't mean that you'll be exempt from group projects. This staple of the traditional classroom is becoming simpler for distance learners to tackle too, with collaborative tools and video conferencing options making it easier for groups to work together. Don't be surprised if you find yourself assigned to a group project in your online course. Students should definitely know that they're not exempt from group work simply because they're in an online course. Before enrolling in an online course, I couldn't fathom how a group could possibly work together completely remotely on assignments. A lot has to be done using Google Docs or other file sharing services like it. You'll want to make an effort to make connections. One of the benefits of going to school is the number of people it puts you in contact with. Friendships, mentorships and networking can all come from academic experiences. But is that still the case with online classes? Online degrees can be less personable. You can go through multiple online classes without really connecting to anyone. It's easy to miss out on all the networking opportunities and friendships that on-campus classes can provide. I would recommend that you really make an effort to get to know some of your online classmates or your professor. Online classes could be the missing piece. Traditional school is stressful in comparison to online education because of the precious time wasted for students. The drive to and from class, finding a seat and the endless distractions. So much is involved just getting to the classroom, whereas online, you are in your own environment, safe from germs and the stress of driving. Online classes save you so much time that you can never get back. Moore, who obtained her undergraduate and law degrees online, enjoyed the convenience and time-saving aspects of online education. The education is more effective and efficient because you can interact with professors more comfortably. You can choose whether to send them a private message or to speak aloud to ask a question during class.